Hello and welcome to another fittingsites.com screencast tutorial. In this video we're going to walk you through the process of finding a plugin using the search function inside of the WordPress dashboard, and then after that we're going to upload it and activate it. It's a pretty simple process, and it's one we do quite a bit when we're building sites for our clients. And for this particular example we're going to use this blog post here. And what we'd like to add is, scrolling down here to the bottom of the article, what we'd like to have down here is a social bookmarking link. I'm sure you've seen them on sites before that let you share an article on Facebook or Twitter or a couple of different places. And there's a lot of plugins for WordPress that'll do just that. And we're going to go ahead and locate one. Here we are inside of the dashboard, and looking in the left-hand navigation under plugins, we just need to go to the Add New section. Clicking on that, we get a little search box here which lets us search for the plugin we're after. And I happen to know the name of mine is called Add to Any, and here it's filling it out because I've actually searched for it before. But you could find a plugin by going to perhaps Google and doing a Google search for WordPress plugins. Or you could also do a search at the actual WordPress.org website as well. But it's pretty handy to do it from here, right inside of the dashboard. So once we've added our term, let's go ahead and click on Search Plugins. And we get a return here on our results. And sure enough, right at the very top of the list is the Add to Any plugin that I'm after. And down below we see we have the option to look at the details or to install it. Even though I know what this plugin is, I'm going to click on Details just to show you that this basically gives you a ton of information about the plugin itself, and might even include screenshots. And here's the button that we're looking to add to our site, as well as some frequently asked questions and a couple of other things. And also you can see this red button for Install Now. And if you click on that, then it'll start installing the plugin for you. But we're going to actually go back to the dashboard because we're going to click on the other link available, which is Install Now. It does the exact same thing. And of course our browser is going to ask us if we want to OK that, and we do. And here we are on the download page for the plugin, and you can see that it is now successfully installed the plugin. And we have two choices, one to activate the plugin or to return to the plugin installer. We're going to go ahead and activate this plugin. And so here on our plugins page, where we can see all of the plugins that we have installed on our WordPress site, right up here at the top is the Add to Any plugin. It does have some settings, but we're going to go ahead and use the default for now. But this is where you would locate the settings for your plugin. Since various plugins tend to put it in different parts of the dashboard, this is a great place to check for it. And just to show you that this worked out exactly as planned, let's go ahead and click on the title and take ourselves back out to the home page of the website. And if we scroll to the bottom of the page, we can see that indeed we have our Save Share button that our plugin installed for us. It's at the bottom of all of our pages and all of our posts. And if we hover over it, you can see that up pops a little modal box, which gives us a chance to decide where we'd like to share it, or we could even send it via email if we want. So this is a nice little plugin. It's real simple to install and set up inside of WordPress, and it's actually something that we include now on all of our websites. So I hope this has helped kind of explain a little bit about how to add new plugins to your WordPress site. Have fun, and thanks for watching.